Alright, everybody, so this is me and Ashley hanging out, and we're about to do a prank call sort of thing. And, yeah, Ashley is going to be my older sister, Diana. And she is going to say the words that are on the computer to a boy named Lucian.
Lucian?
Lucian. Okay. Now call the fucker. And no laughing, and be serious.
Here we go. Hello, is this Lucian? This is her older sister, Diana. Sammy's older sister.
Read now.
Sammy's older sister, Diana. Well, I was going through her MySpace, and I just wanted to let you know that she has a boyfriend, and I have her phone for tonight, and you're really starting to make me mad by calling so much. Please don't call back till tomorrow, and stop flirting with her, please. Goodbye.
Go, Ashley! How did that feel? Was it fun? You did so well. I'm so proud of you.
I was trying to hold back the laugh.
I
so
know, I
bad.
saw you. What did he say?
He's like, oh, can I talk to Sammy? I was like, I can't tell him reading, and he was like, okay, and that's all I heard before I hung up. So, peace.
Peace.
Let's